have a sizable paint job around your home, you may consider buying your paint in a 5-gallon bucket.
Well, there are definite advantages to buying paint in a 5-gallon pail. First of all, you don't have so many individual cans to carry around, and it's more economical. The problem is it's a lot harder to mix the paint when it's in such a big bucket.
Well, I've seen a few homeowners try to mix it with a mechanical mixer and end up with more paint on the floor than anywhere else.
Yeah, these work great. You can chuck them into a drill, but you have to be really careful because otherwise you can spray the paint all over the place. The trick that I've found that works really well is you just buy an extra lid to fit the paint bucket and drill a hole in it with a 7/8 inch diameter bit.
Okay.
Then all you need to do is remove the lid that comes on the paint bucket, thread that through the hole, if you can hold that for me.
All right. Now, this seems like such a large diameter hole that you drilled.
Yeah, it's a little bigger than the diameter of the shaft, but what that allows you to do is it gives you a little extra room to move the mixer around so you get all the paint really mixed up well, because it's important to get it right down to the bottom of the bucket. Now, this is equally as important. Make sure you snap that on really well. Okay? There we go.
Great, that seems to work well and no mess at all.